Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back with another video to show this Wharncliffe swayback that I finished. It is 3 3/4 inches closed and 6 1/2 inches open. The handle material is has burlap micarta bolsters, and I didn't label this micarta, so I can't remember if it's antique linen or natural linen, but it's a linen micarta. I've got brass pins and brass liners. I didn't do any file work on this one. And I got a bird's eye style pivot. The bushing is brass and the hinge pin is nickel silver. It's centered up nice. Has a nice medium pull. And the blade and back spring is CPM 154 again. And, well, I'm smudging it. Being this is stainless steel, I thought I'd try my hand at a 320 grit belt finish. And I hand sanded the ricasso area to 400 grit, and I got a 400 grit belt finish on the swedges. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Of course, less work and not having to hand sand the blade, so that was a positive, but it also gave it a nice satin finish. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm a good one at smudging things up. It's hard to keep these things clean right after you've got them buffed and this, that, and the other. At least it is for me. I got a 400 grit hand finish on the back spring on the inside, and a 400 grit finish on the inside of the liners. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with how this one turned out. It's a nice, clean, little everyday carry. Has nice snap, but it still feels smooth. But this has been a look at my Wharncliffe swayback. Enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like. And if you want to follow along on my knife maker's journey, consider subscribing. I hope you all are having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.